Hello everyone! Have you ever tried OHAGI? Japanese sticky rice cake coated with red bean paste. We usually use sticky rice and red bean paste for OHAGI, but for this recipe, we'll show you how to make it by using the rice you normally cook at home with a variety of toppings. So, let's get started! First, mash cooked rice in the mortar with a pestle. Mash until it gets sticky. As a substitute, you can use a Ziploc bag to mash the rice. Wrap it with a plastic wrap and make a ball. White rice, brown rice, multi-grain rice. You can use any kind of Japanese rice for this. Do you have a pressure cooker? The rice becomes more sticky and suitable for making OHAGI. Next, spread the red bean paste on the plastic wrap. And place the rice ball in the middle. Wrap them in the shape of a ball and it's done. This is how you make the classic OHAGI. Here are some recipes of other types of OHAGI. Mix the ingredients and just sprinkle it on the rice ball. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. Kinako OHAGI, black sesame seed OHAGI, roasted walnuts OHAGI. Here are some colorful OHAGI: pumpkin paste OHAGI, sweet potato paste OHAGI, and a green laver OHAGI. Why don't you try some more unique OHAGI? Mixed minced red perilla in the rice ball, or put a cream cheese filling inside. Isn't it amazing how colorful OHAGI can be by using different types of toppings? We hope you try our recipe. Thank you for watching. We're looking forward to showing you more recipes on our channel. See you next time!